Preflight checklist.
Oxygen.
Test.
Instrument transfer and display switches.
Normal, auto.
Window heat. Are you sure about that? Pressurization mode selector.
Auto.
Flight instruments.
Heading 292. Altimeter 1012.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Preflight checklist complete.
Check. Are you ready for the briefing?
I'm ready for the brief.
Okay, we have no MEL issues today. I will be the pilot flying. It will be a standard takeoff using noise abatement departure procedure 1. The departure will be an ATC assigned SID. We will use flaps 5 for takeoff. Runway condition is dry. As for anti-ice, it's not required. Engine bleeds will be off. From 0 to 100 knots, for any malfunction I'll call reject and confirm the auto brakes are operating. If not operating, I will apply maximum manual braking and maximum symmetric reverse thrust and come to a full stop on the runway. After full stop on the runway, we make a decision on further action. From 100 knots to V1, I will only reject for one of the following 3 reasons: engine fire, engine failure, or a takeoff configuration warning horn. At and above V1 we'll continue into the air, and the only actions below 400 feet are for you to silence any alarm bells and confirm any failures. Above 400 feet I'll call for failure action drills as required, and you will perform memory items. At 800 feet above field elevation I'll call for altitude hold, and will retract the flaps on schedule. At 1500 feet I will call for the checklist. If we're above maximum landing weight, we'll make a decision on whether to perform an overweight landing as the situation requires. If we have a wheel well, engine or wing fire, I will turn the aircraft in such a way the flames will be downwind and we will evacuate via the upwind side. If we have a cargo fire, I want you to ensure the emergency services do not open the cargo doors until the evacuation is completed. Any questions?
No questions.
Departure brief complete.
Okay, then next, before I start checklist.
Flight deck door.
Close and locked.
Fuel.
6,500 kilograms.
Passenger signs.
On.
Windows.
Locked.
MCP.
B2 146. Heading 292. Flight level 330.
Takeoff speeds.
B1 136. BR 137. B2 146. Next.
CDU pre
Complete.
Rudder and aileron trim.
3 and 0.
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Complete.
Anti-collision light.
Set on.
Before start checklist
Check.
complete.
Flaps 5.
Check. Takeoff flaps set.
Check.
I'm ready for the checklist.
Before taxi checklist.
Generators.
On.
Probe heat.
On.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Isolation valves.
Auto.
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Recall.
Checked.
Autobrake.
RTO.
Engine starting.
Idle detent.
Flight controls.
Check.
Ground equipment.
Clear.
Before taxi checklist complete.
Right.
Check.
Left. Before takeoff checklist.
Flaps.
Flaps 5 green light.
Stabilizer trim.
5.29.
Before takeoff checklist complete. Cabin crew, take your seats.
Clear on the left.
Check. Clear on the approach. Engine bleeds off.
Check.
Ready to go.
Take off.
Check. Thrust set.
Check.
$80 knots.
Check.
V1.
Rotate. Positive range.
Gear up.
Gear up.